You stop right now or I'm leaving you and I'm not taking you home. Stop now.
I'll send these to you.
I'm leaving you here. You can walk home. I'm on a swing.
I so forgot what you did.
What? Where are you? It's not picking you up.
I'm black. It's fine.
Hey James!
Hi.
Why is this so blurry? It's all blurry. Stop! You're gonna hit me, James! Ah. Where'd you go? If you scare me, I'm gonna backhand slap you so hard. I haven't even found it yet. Go. I'm a candy kid. Stop! I'm scared. Hey, I didn't. Did you just break it? Stop! Get in the car. I locked it this time. I locked it this time. I don't even remember where we parked. I don't know. Where's our kidnapper van?
Where is it?
Where is it?
Where did you park?
I don't remember. Oh, I see it.
Oh, I see it now.
Run to it, James. Stop! I know I'm big. Okay. Go to the car. Run to the car.
Why?
Cause you're supposed to find it. I don't know. Find a car. Find a car. But don't get hit. You get hit, I'm leaving. Oh my gosh. You just went on the intern. James, don't leave me. He just went down the makeup aisle. Makeup aisle. Stop him. I didn't get you writing it. Get back on.
Oh, okay.
You need a cape on too. Come on.
Are you ready?
Go.
I put the basket.
Get on the pink one.
This one?
Yeah.
I got my training bars.
Your training bars. What are you training for? Oh yeah? There is too. The camera. That was epic.
Light up.
Keep going. You have to do it in circles though. You just went on the intern. James, don't leave me.
You doing that hair flip?
You act so much like Trevor.
I put the basket.
Get on the pink one.
This one?
Yeah.
I got my training bars.
Your training bars. What are you training for? Oh yeah? There is too. The camera. That was epic.
Light up.
Keep going. You have to do it in circles though. You have to.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I had my hair that color, but I had it black and it had like pink everywhere. It was so beautiful. That's when I can actually wear it to school. Look at that girl's hair.
Don't let me eat.
3 o'clock.
I took Faye to McDonald's. That's yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, you picked it up.
Wait,
You stop right now or I'm leaving you and I'm not taking you home. Stop now.
I'll send these to you.
I'm leaving you here. You can walk home. You're so mean.
Oh yeah, quality chicken processed.
It's making fun of me.
No, I'm talking about, this says quality chicken, but it's processed.